This tutorial is designed to be paused at each step so you can clearly see what settings and next steps are needed. After initial setup, you will only need to tend to the game every 30 minutes to restart the race. Purchase the 1991 Honda Beat in the used car dealership. Perform the engine swap at the GT Auto Shop. Upgrade your rims as shown. Install the Type B front splitter. Install the Type B side skirts. Install the custom wing set. I prefer the high wing with the Type 22 end plate. Go to the tuning shop. Here are the sports upgrades. Club sports upgrades. Now on to the semi-racing upgrades. There are quite a few upgrades in the racing section, so make sure to get them all. Only the nitrous system is needed from the extreme section. Do not purchase anything from the ultimate section. Now it is time to tune your beat car for what I call the low profile. Now create a new settings profile and call it Max. Now select or purchase the SRT Tomahawk X VGT. Create a settings profile and call it Bad. Now adjust the transmission ratios as shown. Here are the remaining settings. Switch back to the beat car and use the low setting profile. Go to Settings and select the controller's category. Select Wireless Controller 1P. Select Steering Controls. Select Motion Sensor function on the far right. Go to the Daytona track, select Custom Race, select the tri-oval configuration. Use these settings in the custom race setup. In the Rivals selection box, select from Garage. Select the Change Car option and pick the Tomahawk VGT that you tuned earlier. Repeat this for the first 19 cars and then select the Honda Beat for the 20th car. Be sure to apply the changes. The price credits should be somewhere near what is shown. Time to race. Before you start the race, go into Settings one last time. Change your setting sheet profile from low to max. The price amount should not change. This is the glitch. Enjoy it while it lasts. Place a rubber band around the right yoke of your controller. Use the rubber band to hold down the R2 button, which is the throttle. Now find something to lift the left side of your controller about 5/16 of an inch off a flat surface. You lifted it enough if the steering indicator looks like this. Your car's progress will be slow at first. After about 20 to 22 laps, you should be in the lead and pulling away. Sweet and effortless victory. You should get the clean race bonus most of the time. Exit the replay scenes until you see the retry button. I hope this takes the mystery out of this money-making method. Please share with your friends and let me know if you have other methods that work as good or better. Thank you for watching.